Welcome to the dasuhaenglish channel. I hope you will enjoy this video to increase your vocabulary. In this video we will compare basic English and advanced English. Make sure you watch it till the end, so you get enlightened. First lesson. In basic English we say can you ask about it, and in advanced English we say could you inquire about it. Which one do you think is cooler? In basic English, can you check and tell me, and in advanced English, could you verify and inform me? Next. Basic English, she is my friend, and in advanced English, she is an acquaintance of mine. Next. Basic English, the cat is on the mat. Advanced English, the feline is positioned upon the floor covering. Different but the meaning is the same. Basic English, I like to read books. Advanced English, I derive pleasure from engaging in literary works. Which version do you prefer? Basic English, the cat is sleeping. Better English, the feline peacefully dozes off, surrendering to a state of blissful slumber. Is it getting complicated? Next. Basic English version, they play football every Sunday. Advanced English version, they engage in a spirited game of football without fail every Sunday, displaying their exceptional skills. Long words in advanced English but the meaning is the same as basic English. In basic English we can say I like to eat pizza. In advanced English we can say have a penchant for indulging in the delectable flavors of pizza. Next. Basic English, the dog is running in the park. Advanced English, the canine gracefully dashes through the expanse of the park, exuding boundless energy. You can use both, in certain situations and conditions. Basic English version, we are watching a movie tonight. Advanced English version, tonight, we have planned to immerse ourselves in the captivating world of cinema by watching a thought-provoking film. Next. Basic English, they are playing basketball at the gym. Advanced English, they are engaging in a vigorous game of basketball at the well-equipped gym, showcasing their impressive athletic prowess. To be able to master both is by practicing continuously until you really understand. In basic English, the weather is hot today. In advanced English, the scorching sun casts its relentless heat upon us, as the temperature soars high on this particular day. Basic English, I have a blue pen. Advanced English, I possess a ballpoint pen with an elegant shade of blue. Are you still enthusiastic and concentrating on studying? Before continuing this video, it's a good idea to pause this video first, then you gather your concentration. After it's really collected, then come back to watch. Basic English, the cat is sitting on the chair. Advanced English, the feline gracefully perches itself upon the comfortable cushioned chair. We continue the lesson. Watch carefully. In basic English we can say we went to the beach last summer. And in advanced English we can say during the previous summer, we embarked on a delightful excursion to the picturesque beach. In basic English we can say they are studying for the exam. In advanced English, they are diligently immersing themselves in intensive study sessions, preparing comprehensively for the upcoming examination. Next. Basic English, the car is parked in the garage. Advanced English, the automobile is securely stationed within the confines of the spacious garage. You can imitate and practice it. In basic English we can say the bird is flying in the sky. In advanced English, the avian creature gracefully soars across the expansive canopy of the sky. Basic English, we visited a museum yesterday. Advanced English, yesterday, we embarked on a captivating journey through the corridors of a renowned museum. Basic English, they are playing soccer in the park. Advanced English, they enthusiastically partake in a spirited game of soccer amidst the vibrant surroundings of the park. Basic English. The house is big and beautiful. Advanced English. The resplendent abode boasts an impressive blend of size and aesthetic appeal. We continue. In Basic English. I have a red car. In Advanced English. I am the proud owner of a sleek, crimson automobile. I think you must be confused, but I believe if you practice consistently your understanding will improve itself. Basic English. The boy is eating an apple. Advanced English. The young lad relishes the taste of a crisp apple as he indulges in its juicy goodness. Next. I hope you are still concentrating. Let's continue the lesson. In Basic English. We went shopping yesterday. In Advanced English. Yesterday, we embarked on a delightful shopping spree, exploring various stores and discovering unique treasures. In Basic English we say they are swimming in the pool, and in Advanced English we say they engage in a refreshing swim in the sparkling pool, embracing the cool water against their skin. Basic English. The book is on the table. Advanced English. The literary masterpiece finds its place atop the elegant table, enticing readers with its captivating storyline. In Basic English. I like to watch movies, and in Advanced English. I thoroughly enjoy immersing myself in the world of cinema by watching a variety of movies. Next. In Basic English. The dog is barking loudly, and in Advanced English. The canine emits a series of resounding barks, creating a cacophony that reverberates through the surroundings. In Basic English. We visited our grandparents last weekend, and in Advanced English. Last weekend, we paid a heartfelt visit to our beloved grandparents, cherishing the moments spent together. Basic English. They are studying for the test. Advanced English. They are earnestly dedicating their time to diligent study, making extensive preparations for the upcoming test. Now on to the last lesson of this video. In Basic English we say the sun is shining brightly, and in Advanced English we say the radiant sun casts its brilliant rays upon the earth, illuminating the world with its vibrant glow. I hope that all of the lessons that I convey can be useful for you, and can improve your English. Thank you all for joining me on this incredible journey today. I hope you found this content valuable and engaging. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep seeking and learning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with future content. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring. Goodbye. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear.